Welcome back to the photochemistry class. In this class, we will practice three simple problems. A system absorbs 2 quanta of radiation per second. When it is irradiated for 15 minutes, it is found that 3 into 10 power minus 4 moles of the reactant has reacted. What is the quantum yield of the reaction? So, in order to solve this, given that number of quanta is equal to 2 into 10 power 16 in 1 second. Time 15 minutes. We need to convert this into seconds. So 15 into 60 seconds. Now, number of moles absorbed. Number of moles is equal to 3 into 10 power minus 4 moles. Now, we know quantum yield phi is equal to number of molecules absorbed per second by number of quanta absorbed per second. Now look at this. When we say number of molecules, we used to say quanta. But if we say number of moles, we used to say Einsteins. That means we need to convert either quanta into Einsteins, or we need to convert number of moles into molecules. I think this may be easy. So we will convert this number of moles into number of molecules. How do we convert number of moles into molecules? 1 mole of any substance contains Avogadro number of molecules. Right? 1 mole of any substance contains Avogadro number of molecules. So 3 into 10 power minus 4 moles contains 3 into 10 power minus 4 into Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23 by number of quanta absorbed per second. It is 2 into 10 power 16. Remember, the number of moles reacted is 15 minutes. Number of moles reacted, it's not absorbed, right? Reacted. Number of moles reacted in 15 minutes. So we also need to multiply this with the number of moles, number of quanta absorbed for 15 minutes. Per second it is 2 into 10 power 16. So for 15 minutes it is 15 into 60 seconds. Right. So just simplify this, we will get quantum yield. Yeah. When we simplify it, 3 into 6 by 2 into 15 into 60 into, see, 10 power 16, when it becomes numerator, it becomes 10 power minus 16. Minus 4 minus 16 minus 20. Here it is plus 23. So we will get 10 power 3. 10 power 3 nothing but 1000. So 0, 0 will get cancelled. 6, 6 will get cancelled. And 3 will get cancelled 5 times. 2 into 5, 10 times. So it becomes 10, 100 by 10, it becomes 10. So this is the quantum yield for this reaction. Next, we will practice this. Calculate the energy of an Einstein of radiation of wavelength 250 nanometers. Given the wavelength lambda is equal to 250 nanometers. Now, we need to find energy in Einsteins. So in order to find out the energy in Einsteins, we know the formula. Energy is equal to h nu if it is quanta. If it is Einsteins, we multiply it with Avogadro number. We multiply it with Avogadro number. So what is the Avogadro number? 6.023 into 10 power 23. Planck's constant 6.62 into 10 power minus 34 joule second multiplied by frequency. We need to convert it into velocity of light by wavelength. So velocity of light 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second divided by wavelength, it is 250 nanometers. Now we will further simplify it. 6 into 10 power 23, 6.6 into 10 power minus 34. Second will get cancelled. 3 into, we will, because it is in joules, we will keep it like this, 10 power 8 joules by 250 nanometers, that means 10 power minus 9 meters. So this meters and this meters, they will get cancelled. So what we will get the number of Einsteins in joules. But remember, you don't need to do all these calculations for each and every problem, right? We will simply go for the shortcut. What is the shortcut? Energy is equal to 11.97 by lambda in centimeters. So this is in joules, right? This is in joules. So 11.97 by lambda. Lambda means 250 into 10 power minus 9 meters. We need to convert into centimeters. Every meter will have 100 centimeters. So this is the shortcut. 11.97, you can make it 12 into 10 power minus 7. This becomes 10 power plus 7 by 250. You just solve this. So 12, you can make it 2 times. 1 by 2 into 10 power 6. 1 by 2 means 0.5. So it is 5 into 10 power 5, or 50 into 10 power 4 joules. A 0.005 molar solution of a compound absorbs 400 nanometers, absorbs at 400 nanometers, giving rise to an absorbance of 0.7. The path length is 2 centimeters. What is the molar extinction coefficient? Given that concentration, what is 0.005 molar? It is concentration. C is equal to 0.005 molar. Or simply we can write 5 into 10 power minus 3 molar. Moles per liter, and wavelength is given, but it is not required for us. Wavelength lambda is equal to 400 nanometers. Absorbance A is equal to 0.7. Path length L is equal to 2 centimeters. We need to find molar extinction coefficient. What is molar extinction coefficient? It is epsilon. So what is the relation between C, A, L, epsilon? It is Beer-Lambert's law. What is the relation? A is equal to epsilon Cl. We need epsilon value, so A by Cl. 0.7 divided by 5 into 10 power minus 3 moles per liter into 2 centimeters. Plus 2, it is 70 liters per mole per centimeter.